everybody, this is Silvia. Welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you a small Dollar Tree haul. I actually had to go because I needed to buy some stuff for a Friendsgiving that we were having. So I ended up just getting stuff for the kitchen, but I ended up finding some stuff, so I wanted to share with you. So I have a coworker that had mentioned that the calendars were already out, so I ended up getting myself 2 calendars. This one here just says enjoy the journey, and in the back it just pretty much, they're like different quotes. I really like quote calendars. So it says strong, bold, powerful, brave and courageous, enjoy the journey, brave and beautiful, don't quit your daydream, surprise yourself, she leaves a little sparkle wherever she goes, oh yes you can, strong, bold, powerful, brave, courageous. Oh, it's the same one I read. Good vibes only, like a boss, hello sunshine, goal getter, and have a ball. So I got this one, and then I got this other one. One of them is gonna be for work, and then the other one's just gonna be for here for where I have my crafting area. This one just says begin each day with a grateful heart, and then it just has this is the first one. Have courage and be kind. The best things in life are the people we love, the places we have been, and the memories we have made along the way. Love the little things. When you love what you have everything you need. Blessed, love the moment, bless our home with love. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. Family, where life begins and love never ends. You are braver than you believe, stronger than you think, and more loved than you will ever know. Home, the story of who we are, and a collection of all the things we love. So those are the 2 calendars that I got. Then they have people have been talking about the Crafter Square collection at Dollar Tree, so I was able to find a few things. I guess there's certain Dollar Trees that have this collection, so I think I was lucky enough to find them at the store that I went to, just because when you go to dollartree.com they have a list. They have the list of the stores that are near your area, but then at the bottom there's like a little icon that tells you like if they have it or not. So that Dollar Tree that I went to didn't say it had it, but I did find some items. So I ended up getting a few of the things. So this one are the finger protectors. I ended up getting 2 of these. The reason why I got these is because these are good whenever you're using the glue gun. And then I don't know, I'm thinking that's what I'm gonna use them for. I don't know if there's a other reason why you would use them, but I'm pretty sure I'll come up with an idea. And then they had these stickers, the butterfly stickers, and they're dimensional. I have a coworker that gave me a card that had a similar butterfly on it, so I was really excited when I found them. I only found them in green. I'm sure that there's other colors, but I just, like I said, it was really at the end of an aisle, so they didn't have a lot. And then I found some of these stickers. So I found this one they have glitter on them, and they're just more like home, family. So I'm gonna use these on some of the cards that I'm making. This one is just good times, wonderful, my life. Just talking about life and nature. I also found, here's another one that's the same as that one. Then I found this other one that says forever, cherish, gentle breeze, enjoy the little things. So they just have like little words here and there, quotes. I think that's all that I got from that collection. I also came across these little banners that say happy birthday, so I got these as well. And then I also came across this adhesive pearl wrap. I've come across the little gems, but not the pearls. You could barely see it on the video, but they're pretty much like little pearls. And it says that they're adhesive, so I think what people might use these for is maybe like if they're covering like a glass jar or something like that. But I'm gonna use it probably for my cards to kind of give them the dimension. And then I also found the pearl wrap, which is pretty much like it comes in a little spool. So I found that. The other thing that I saw, actually, not that I went to looking for, is they have these LA Colors they have makeup there that's obviously LA colors. So the reason why I got them was because I thought this was a really cool idea. So they have them based on the year. So like this is the 20s decade. They had to be honest, I took a picture of it, I don't remember, but I know they have the 20s decade, the 40s, the 90s, the 70s, I believe the 60s. Let me see if I took a picture with my phone, but I only got the ones that I thought I would be interested in using, just because I wasn't, I mean, there was the, like, I think it was the 70s was way too, like, they were, or the 80s, they were like bright colors. So this one I got it because they're more neutral. This one's called Speak Easy. And well, this one, it has a girl on there. You could see it, but like the liners and the mascara that were there. I'm trying to see if I have a picture. So they have lipstick, they have the eyeshadows, they have eyeliner, they have blush, highlighter, bronzer. And then they have the 20s, 40s, 60s, 70s, 80s, and 90s. But like I said, like I got this one because it has like the neutrals. It does have little shimmers on this one. The 40s, also the same thing. The neutral colors, and then it has these two like glitter or shiny ones. But there's colors that I would definitely use. And then the 90s, the same thing. Oh, this one's called Rosie. And then this one's called Valley Girl. And then I didn't get anything else other than these. So this one is a highlighter for the 20s. It's called Jazzy. It looks really shiny. And then you look at the picture. I'm gonna try to see if I can take these out so you can see them. This one's a bronzer and it's called Working Gal. This one was called Jazzy. And then this one's called Groovy, and this one's from the 70s. And like I said, they do have a large collection. I don't know how long they'll be there, but the girl that saw me getting these was like, oh my gosh, that's so cool. Let me see if I can take this off without me taking off the picture of the girl here. So if you notice, like here, this is the one for the 40s. So they have like little cute pictures of what the girls look like. But the 80s one, it was funny because that one was like, she had on like a lot of colorful makeup, like kind of how they used in the 80s. I was born in the 80s, but I wasn't wearing makeup. I was still little. I didn't start wearing makeup until the 90s, so. Oh, but look at this one here. So she had like her hair. I don't want to rip it off, but there we go. So that's her right there with her little puff on her head and stuff like that. And then the 20s is the one that I love the most. What else did I get? The 40s. I guess I can just open that one too. But look at this one. Oh, I love this picture right here. So that's kind of what I got. But I ended up getting, let me see, what was the other one? The 90s I didn't show you? Yeah, the 90s wasn't a big, it's not that, not maybe because they're like more current pictures, but yeah, like this one's like, this is her right here. She just looks a little like, the colors are a little bit more darker and her hair's short, so that's kind of where that's at. And they're just pretty simple. They don't have anything like to put the makeup on. You have to do it yourself. I mean, like a brush. Oh god, it's so hard. So there we go. So that's kind of, it's pretty simple. So we'll see how these turn out. But that's kind of all I got. Like I said, I wasn't there for anything specific. I was just there looking because I wanted to get stuff for like the Friendsgiving, and I ended up just getting all these other things that I really didn't need to be buying, but I did. So anyways, thank you. Oh, one more thing. I got this. I didn't want to get anything Christmassy yet, but you know how things kind of fly when you go to Dollar Tree. If you don't, you know, grab it, you might not see it. So I ended up getting this really cool little tree that I'm just going to use as decor at my house. It's just gold. I believe they had green and red, but I kind of wanted to stick with just a more, you know, color that could go with any other color depending on what the scheme is going to be this year. I still don't know what I'm going to be doing, but I ended up getting this little tree. I thought it was really cute. Now that is actually all that I've got. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching and have a great day. Bye.